Alright, today I'm going to be adding in my Raptor lights. So this grill should be OEM. One thing about the Raptor lights, this one I've heard is that you have to trim them a little bit. So if you want to do 4 wide, like in the ends here, in this end spot right here, these 2 ends, you gotta trim them. So we'll see. So usually if you have these honeycombs right here, and this is loose, this is most likely OEM. So hopefully we don't have to trim anything. We're about to find out though right now. These should just pop in. Let me take one off, get this set up, take one off and try, see what it looks like. Alright, so I was able to get this one on the far left. It's not pulling out. Looks like it doesn't need to be trimmed. I can't pull this one out, and I didn't really hear a snap or anything like that, but I was able to. So I'll try to show you right here, and then you can see that they have these like clips right here. So I was able to just get one side in, and then I'll push with my finger and snap in this one on this side. So on the bottom snapped in. It doesn't snap, it doesn't make a snapping noise, but it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Because I'm pulling this as tight as I can. And it's like, you can see it's moving like a. So yeah, so now we got these 2 in, as you can see. And then probably put, like I said, we'll put one here and then one here. So I got the 4-piece amber lights from running from Tacos, and and it's also cool is that it's pretty much plug and play. It has, this is the TRD version, so right here it just snaps in into the fuse box. Comes with a 5-amp fuse, and then we'll just have to take off the fuse cover and then hook up the lights and then run it, zip tie it, run it from here, probably down here, into the fuse box. So, yeah, let me get that started. So I just noticed that I'm pulling on these, they don't come out, but if I push from the back, I can pop this out. When I was putting these ones in, I noticed I did hear a snap, so they snapped in this place. So I will probably have to trim these. I'll have to get a file, just file it down, just a couple centimeters really, and then they'll snap into place. But I'm gonna just, for now, leave it, and then I could just disconnect the harness from it and then do it later. So let me start snapping these into place. Right. So I just kind of laid the connections right here because this obviously is going to connect to the fuse box. So I just want to make sure I have enough slack, and then what I'll do is I'm going to run this. I'm going to run it down there. It's kind of hard to see, but right over here. I don't know if this will help at all. Alright. So let's just run it from over here. Let me grab the lights. Let's go do this little slot right here. There we go. So now we're hanging down here. Let me move the light. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. Alright, so we came through this port down here, and then here, and then I want to kind of just worry about the longest one that's furthest to the left hand side on the passenger side and hook that up. They're about the same length, so I don't think it really matters. There's one, it's the second one. That's the third one, and then his last one. There you go. Now they're all hooked up. They're all daisy chained. come over here. Here's our ground. We'll just hook our ground up to right here. So I should be able to take off this part right here. And then that way I could run the cord that way, underneath here, underneath this door. So that way the cord doesn't get smashed as I close this lid. Hi, sweetheart. And right here is where you want to pull on your latch right here and pull out, and then grab the bundle of wires and pull up slightly. Then you could route your red 5 amp fuse into the box. And this way it's just that you could close the top lid of your fuse box without smashing this cord. As you can see right here, it goes out of the fuse box without it being crushed. And this is what the cable manage looks like after I was completed and put the lid back on. How I route it, the wires, the red power, and then the black ground. I tried to route it the best way I could, and I bunched up the excess cords and then used zip ties, and then tried my best cable management that I could. I hate leaving like a rat's nest, so I'm gonna make it clean as possible, and then yeah, I just use zip ties. Alright, hey everybody, so I finished up the Raptor lights and they came out pretty good. As you can see, they're nice and bright. So the video that I filmed at the beginning with the installation, that was a year ago actually, and I never got any footage of the lights on. So this is like what it looks like after almost a year. They're still pretty bright, and these still, like I said, I was saying at the beginning of the video that I might have to trim these. These were fine. I mean, these aren't coming out anytime soon, so yeah, I really like these Raptor lights. I got them, like I said, running for tacos. I'll put the link below. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That would help out a lot. I got more to come. I have footage just like built up over the year of installation, so progressively over the year you'll see the truck just being built, and I got more stuff on the way and more to come, so please like and subscribe and keep watching and tune in for some more. All right, catch you on the flip side.